And on current research that's happening, when do you see us having any kind of benefit coming from that?
I think that a lot of the work that we do is, so if we split between sort of basic science research and clinical science research, basic science research, that's about understanding what's going on in the level of the brain and right down to the cell. And then in lots of the clinical science we do, it's about trying to work out actually what is happening on brain scans and in blood tests and in spinal fluid tests. Actually, over the last 5 or 10 years, we've really learnt a lot about different types of dementia, to the extent that, well, from the first side, from the basic science side, we've learnt enough that we know more about the pathways, so we can develop the right kind of drugs. And from that second side, the sort of brain imaging and the spinal fluid, what we call the biomarker side, we understand a lot more about that, and we know how to do trials, how to measure things, how to know whether a drug's working or not. So I think we've got to that stage where we're almost there. We just need to have the right drug from that. And I think, I might be wrong, but I think we're talking 5-10 years rather than 10-20 years.
In the meanwhile, is there a split between research done on quality of life and research done on the cure?
That's hugely important. It's one has to think about what we do in the here and now, and the here and now is about improving people's quality of life, living well with dementia. And I think there is research happening, and I think it's important that different research is happening. We can't do one above the other. We need to understand how we live well with dementia now and how we cure it later on. So those things are hugely important, but both need to get done.